Good morning, traders. I have just taken a short position into the market here, into the oil futures market, and I am trading the 8/20/2015 expiration. Just rolled over to the new month. I've just taken a short position, and I believe that I am taking the code 2 trade here. I've got it, and I'm gonna go for how about we go for like 70 ticks on this one, because it's been running a little bit shallow. So we'll just go for like 70 ticks, which will put me at 09 on the exit. So let me go ahead and place that now. I'll take it up to 50.09, which puts me at a 70 tick profit right there. My exit's right there, 09. So that's 70 ticks. 70 tick profit. Normally I would go for 100, but it's been running a little shallow lately. Most likely because it's summer, but that's the beautiful thing about the charting service, is that tracks it for you. The charting service will tell you how much to go for. When you can get 100 every day, you certainly don't want to go for 70. And when you can't get 100 but you can get 70, you don't want to go for 100. You need to go for what you can get. And so I can get 70 off of this one, and that's what I'm going to go for. Anything more, the mathematics will slightly start to decrease. And if you get to 100, it'll, pretty much, it won't decrease completely, because there are ones that make it to 100 no problem. In fact, one the other day did 120, but they're not averaging that. That's the problem. So on the ones that don't make it, you don't hit it, and you want to hit it every time. And 70 you'll hit every time, like 100% of the time, almost about 90% of the time you hit 70, assuming your entry is good, of course. But again, with the charting service, your entry should be good. It should be excellent. You should ace the entry, just like I'm doing now. Isn't that amazing? I'm able to ace the entry, and see how it went below there. And after I took an entry, well, actually, I was taking it right there at the bottom. See, that's another thing. I took it right there at the bottom. It hadn't even broken through yet, and yet I took it. Crazy. Normally, as a trader, you'd want to wait for it to break through first. It breaks through resistance or support right there, right? And then so you take a short entry. But I took it before, because the code said it was going to go down. Amazing, isn't it? Okay, so I'm going to be back, and I will follow the code and call it out to you. But right now, I'm pretty sure that I've got the code 2, and I should be able to ride this down for 70 ticks. I'll be back. Okay, we have a code 1 short signal in place. It should drop down here. Should come down pretty good right now. I'm going to place, if it goes back up to my entry, I'm going to get out. I'll be right back. It looks like it's about to drop out here. We have 2 code 1 short entries, so I can go short. And I believe we're probably about to get another one here. Looking for the signal. I'll be right back. But you are witnessing for yourself, ladies and gentlemen, the power of knowing the codes, of knowing them and knowing how to read them properly, and knowing how to apply them and take advantage of them. It takes knowledge, it takes some skill, it takes some experience, but once you can learn how to do this, and I have every tool that I can give to you, all the knowledge, the charting service, everything to give to you and help you to learn how to do this for yourself and be able to pull money from the markets every day. Okay, we're about to get another signal. Stand by. I'm looking for it. I'll be right back. Okay, it's a short signal. It should drop out now. It should drop pretty good here. Okay, I'll come back and show it to you. But so far, so good. We've got short signals in place. Code saying all go short. So we're in good shape right now. Looks like I have I found the code 2, and we'll be able to hit that 70 ticks. One trade, 70 ticks. How would you like to learn how to do that? Sign up to my charting service. Buy my videos first. You got to buy the videos, then sign up to the charting, and you can learn how to do this yourself. You're going to see me do this every day. You know what they say, seeing is believing. Okay, I'll come back. Okay, we have a code 1 long signal right now in place. Code 1 saying it's going to go long. I'm ignoring this signal. I think it may be offset. Number 1. Number 2, even if it is not offset, it's going to be a confirmed long signal. It's going against code 2. Code 2 says go down. I'm not going to go out of this position and go long with a code 1 when I've got a code 2 saying go down. I'm already short. I am going to hold this position. I will wait for another code 1 to show me the direction. It should be short. It's just getting a long signal here to a bounce for a little bounce, and then turn over and go back short again, give a short signal, and then go down. I'm not going to waste my time going in and out. But I could if I wanted to. But I just know from experience there's a good chance it'll only come up a little bit and then come back down again really hard. Now if I'm wrong and it turns around and it starts going way back up, I'll just be able to get in on long signals and go long with it. Otherwise, I don't need to bother. Most of the time I'm going to be right on this one. To hold the position in code 2. This is where the patience comes in. Always, if you need to know where the code 2, so you can see the code 2, and then take your entry off of it. You don't want to go against that code 2. That's where the real money's at. One trade, 70 ticks, or one trade, 100 ticks under normal circumstances. After the summer is over, it'll be back to 100 again every day. So 100 ticks every day. One trade. When you can do that, you have the right to call yourself master. I'll be back. Okay, we have a short signal. Short signal off of code 1 in place. That's what I was looking for. It should roll over here now and continue to go down. I'll be right back. This is why, code traders, I teach in my videos that code 2 overrides code 1. You never want to go in the opposite direction that code 2 is saying. So for all you traders out there, if you're having trouble, if you don't know which direction the code 2 is saying, by all means, sign up to my charting service. I'm tracking it for you every day. You'll know exactly where the code 2 is so that you can read it and know which direction this is going to go. You simply take a code 1 entry and going in that direction, and boom, you got yourself a successful trade, most likely. You could keep taking code 1 entries until you do have it. It's not rocket science. This is simple stuff. Okay, I'll come right back. Okay, we have another code 1 short entry. It's going to drop out here. That makes 1, 2, 3. We've got 3 of them. 3 code 1 short entries into a code 2 trade. It's about to drop out. I should be able to get my 70 ticks here, no problem. It's just a matter of time now before I can get my 70 ticks. Exit is sitting right down here. Right there's the exit at 09. It's at 53 now. Okay, so I'll come back and give you the update and show you the progression, the outcome of this trade. But this should be an easy trade. This is of tracking of code 2 in my charting service. I took the tracked trade and I've taken 1 entry, and now I'm going to hold it until the 70 ticks is over. Normally it would be 100, but right now I've backed off to 70. Should be able to get that with a very high mathematical certainty. I should have at least an 80% chance of hitting this today. Right now, as of right now, the mathematics are a good solid 80%. So that's pretty good. So I'll be back shortly to show you the progression and outcome of this trade. But this is where the money's at. Code 2. I'm tracking it. Come sign up for my charting service. Start hitting it like I am every day. You have no excuses anymore. I'll be back. We just got a code 1 short entry right there. So we've got a short signal in place of code 1. Which is a good sign. It should go ahead and come down and break below that bottom here. Possibly even off that signal. Let me take a look. 47. Yeah, there's a good chance it might break it off that signal right there. Or it might just come down towards the bottom here and then on another signal break it. But it should be being broken soon. And my 70 ticks should be hit. The mathematics on that right now are very high, 80+%. Possibly, I'd say about 85% at this point, because we've been able to exclude anything else. We're definitely in a code 2 short signal trade. It has not gone its normal amount yet, and my exit is at the normal amount. So, I mean, on the low end, I'm giving it some buffer. It should actually go a little bit further than that, but I'm giving a little bit of buffer. I'm taking the bottom end of it. So I should be able to hit my exit, is what I'm trying to say, with a very high level of mathematics. Now just imagine what I'm doing right now. I'm taking one trade, and I'm going for 70 ticks, and when I hit it, if I hit it, and when I hit it, and not just today, but when I hit it over and over and over again, then you will know that what I am saying is true. And then you will know that there's somebody out there that doesn't want you to know this information, obviously. So I'm here showing and teaching and supporting my website and supporting my videos and doing the charting service every day to help all of you do this for yourself and learn how to trade for yourself and do what I am doing. Okay, I'll be back to show you the progression and of course the outcome of this trade. We got a long signal off of code 1. Again, I'm gonna reiterate that basically, as a general rule, you don't really want to go against the code 2. If code 2 says it's going to go down, you don't really want to take these short little entries going up, because they probably will just be short entries. Now, some of them could stretch out a bit and go up, that's true, but it's just a bad bet. You want to take the entry to go in the code 2 direction, which is down. So I'm holding my short position, not paying attention to the code 1. Code 2 overrides code 1. I have adjusted my stop to a break-even stop at 50.78. If it wants to go up there, I'm just going to break even for right now and reevaluate and take it. Well, not reevaluate. I'm just going to take another code entry to go in, going in the short direction. Unless it keeps giving code 1 long entries. I think it's about to give one here, and I'm going to stop out if it does. I'll be right back. Okay, I just exited the position right there. It looks like it's going to make a move up now. Yeah, here it goes. I'm trying to figure this out. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the net. Let me see, we've got 2 long signals. We've got 2 code 1 long signals in place right now. The code 2 still has not been negated yet, so it's probably just coming up and double topping into the code 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take another short entry and use the code to do it with. So I'm waiting for a signal now. I'll be back. Okay, I am again short now, just taking a short position. And I'm going to readjust the exit to, let's go for a 60 tick exit, which will be put it at 50.10, which is right next to where I just was. Same exit though. Be right back. Okay, you can see here my exit is at 50.10. So that is a 60 tick exit. So I will come back. It should be good to go here. Just had to ride it through that little move that it did, and we should be back on track for the short position. Should go down, break below this low, and then hit my exit. I'll come back. Just wanted to quickly show that I have placed my stop at 78, which is an 8-tick stop on this trade. I'll come back. By the way, we do have a code 1 long signal in place. I don't want to take it because I think it's just going to be short and it's going to come back down. But I could be wrong, and if it is, I will get stopped out. And I'll just take some more entries. Definitely some real chop out there today, though. Okay, it just came and stopped me. I guess it doesn't want to be nice to me today. So I will take another code 1 entry. If it gives a long, again, it'll be 2 of them back to back. I'll go ahead and take it. If it gives a short, I'm going to take it because that should still be the code 2 to go short. So I'll come back. Okay, we just got a long signal off of code 1, which is surprising because I was really looking for this thing to go down. So if it goes higher, much higher than this, let's say it goes another 15 ticks higher, that will exclude the original code 2 signal. And therefore we would be in a whole different territory here, so to speak. And I would just go ahead and negate the last code 2 and just ride this thing up. It probably is going to go up quite a ways. Usually when it does something like that, it'll go up quite a ways. This is sort of like a holiday type of code here. What it'll do like on a holiday, a normal holiday. I haven't checked the holidays today, but I don't know if there's a holiday today, but this is sort of like holiday code right now. So I'm just following code 1 now and see what it wants to do. I'll come back. I've modified the stop to 82. That's a 5-tick stop. Sometimes with the code you can keep it really tight. I'll be right back. Okay, it just came down and stopped me for that 5-tick stop. What it's doing now is it's rolling over. So what it did is it basically double topped into the code 2. Code 2 is still intact. It's now going down. It should continue its downward movement and break below here at a certain point. So what we want to do is get short. And what I'm going to do is I'm not going to go short right here. I'm going to wait for a code 1 short entry. Be disciplined. Wait for the code 1 short entry. Then I will take it short, assuming it does go short off the code 1. So I'll come back. Okay, we've just gotten a hard code 1 short entry right there. It should drop out here. This should be finally it right now. It's been playing this game and coming all the way back up. It double topped perfectly right smack dead into the code 2. So we've got a perfect double top off code 2 right now. And now it just gave a hard signal off code 1 right there. And it should be dropping out here. Should be coming all the way down, break below here, go to my original exit. I'm going to go ahead and place it now at 50.09, which is 70 ticks. Going for it again. Be right back. Okay, exit has been adjusted to 50.09, right there. Okay, so we're going for 70 ticks off this one trade. It has been choppy. Not been real super easy. It's been going against the code 2 for quite a while. The choppy motion. And then boom, just gave a hard code 1 short entry off of a double top, off immediate double top off of code 2. And this should be it. This should be my last entry. Should be able to hit the 70 ticks from here. Now you are seeing the power, the amazing power of the codes for yourself, called out in advance before it would even happen. I'll be back. Just wanted to show really quick, I've got a stop on this at 50.90, so we're talking 11-tick stop here. Be back. Okay, we just got a nice code 1 short entry, so we should be good to go here, to go down, break below this low, and then drop down here. So that's a good signal, good sign. And I'm already short, so I didn't take a position. But if I wasn't, I would certainly take a position right there. Would have gotten in. That was a good short signal right there. And It should be good to go now to come down. All it did was double top into the code 2. It should come down and break below this low now. You know where my exit's at 09. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, we've got another code 1 short signal. That's 3 of them back to back. It should be dropping down now. Real good. Gonna come back down all the way to the bottom here and then drop below that bottom and go hit my exit at 09, 50.09 for a 70 tick trade. Not an easy day today, but with some skill and some experience and some knowledge, you can hit it. But some days are really super easy, which you are going to see. I'll be back. Okay, I have just reversed the position and taken it long instead of short. We do have a code 1 long entry followed by, well, it hasn't given a for sure signal yet, but it looks to be offset, and it should go long here. Unless it's going to roll over and go back the other way, but if it does, I'll have to reverse again, but most likely it won't do that. It'll give back-to-back long signals and go long now. I'll come right back. The stop has been set to 62. It's a 10-tick stop. Come right back. Okay, we just got a second code 1 long signal. So basically it should be moving up here now for a bit. I don't know how far it's going to go. I was expecting it to just go down, but it's not doing that. So I'm just following the code right now. I might go into like chop mode or something where I just take like 10-15 ticks off of a trade like this. See what it wants to do. It may not go up hardly at all. It may roll over again into the next signal when we get one. It's very possible. So it's heads up right now. I'm just following the code, seeing what this thing wants to do. What it's doing is not moving very much and chopping up and down real bad, making for a dangerous day to trade. But, you know, at least you're going to see the good days, the bad days, and how it works. Okay, I'll come back. It's down here close to my stop, but we have a code 1 long signal just now. So we've got a signal off of code 1 to go long. So I'm already long. I'm just going to hold it here. It's close to my stop though. Needed to go up. I'll be back. Okay, it was a code 1 short signal that was offset. It came down and it hit my stop, and then as soon as it did that, I took a short position. So it hit my stop at 62. I'm now short at 62. We have a code 1 short signal that was offset. It looked like it was long and then it showed that it was offset, but it's definitely a short signal now. So it's going to come down, and I am short to take advantage of that. Getting chopped up though by the code today, as you can see. I will come back. Okay, I have a tight stop in place right here at 68. That's only a 6-tick stop right there. That's per the code. I'll be back. Okay, it just came and hit my stop. Okay, we got a code 1 short signal here, so I've taken a short position. And maybe this will finally be it. And I'll place the exit at, we'll take it down to 05. See if we can make it there. Do we have time for that? Yeah, we do, but it would have to get down there in a hurry. I have to really start moving down now. If it does that, then it can make it. Okay, I'll come back. Okay, it's finally making the nice drop here. And yeah, we've got two code 1 short entries there. So looks very good. You can see it's down at the bottom here, getting close. You should break that bottom and go to the exit. Now let me go ahead and place the exit. I originally had it at 09, I believe it was. Let me go ahead and just go for the 70 ticks. Should be able to hit it. I'll place it at 05, 50.05 on the exit. Come right back. Okay, exit is in place at 50.05. which puts it at 70 ticks. 70 tick trade. Try to hit it this time. Let's see if we can. Should be able to. Looks really good. Just took a while to go through all that chop. And now it's finally moving, about to break out of this range here. I'll come back. Okay, it's finally broken out of the range that it was in and broken below that low right there and getting closer to the exit. Still got, what, 35 ticks to go to hit the exit, so got a ways, and it's going pretty slow right now. And we're running out of time. We have less than an hour to go, so it's either going to start moving down and hit it pretty soon, or it won't. But I'm still just holding it and writing it down. Hopefully it'll make it. I'll be back. Okay, we're really running out of time here, so I'm gonna look to exit this trade here. It went down a little bit lower, as you can see. It went down to here. I could have gotten out, but I do have a code 1 short entry right now. Tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna place it. Place a stop on this thing. We'll let it go for a little bit longer. I'm going to place the stop at 50.45. 55, 65, so that gives me a 30 tick trade. Let me go ahead and place that now. Stop, place it at 50.45. Okay, stop is in place right there at 50.45. If it pops back up to there, I'm just going to go ahead and get out. Right there, I call it a day. If it wants to come back down, I'm going to give it a little bit longer to do so. I do have a code 1 short entry, but it's choppy. It's choppy today. Too choppy. So I'm just basically going to call it a day. If it pops back up there, it looks like it's going to pop back up right now. So I'm just going to call it a day today. Okay, I'll come right back. Okay, it just chopped me out. Really choppy day in the code. Very, very bad today. I would say today is a very bad day for the code in general, just for trading in general. It's just too choppy, and in between the code it's just chopping like crazy. So that's one thing about the code, though, is you could tell how choppy it is simply by how it's chopping up and down within the code. Anyway, I wasn't able to make anything today. It was a tough day. You'll see some days are like this. Some days are really super good. Every day is going to be different no matter what. So I will be back tomorrow. I'll do the charting here in a little while to chart everything out. And so you can nail the code 2 trade. I'll be back for the code 2 trade tomorrow. Try and nail it this time. And it just doesn't have any range today. There's no range today at all. So that's why it didn't work. Anyway, I'll be back tomorrow. Do some more trading. Happy trading out there, traders.